We have seen how we can change the formatting to some elements. We will now see what we can change inside our charts. We will see where we can find all the options we can change inside our chart. Firstly, we need to select a chart, and then we can go to the Format tab. On the left side, we can click on the option Format Selection to open a new pane where we can choose what element to format. Firstly, I don't like how these names are overlapping our data series, and we can change that by selecting these names, and then we can use the axis options. And we have options for the data labels, and we can choose how to place out data labels. I will use the option Low. This option will move my names to the left, but it's not enough, so I will add another 0 for the distance. And now my data isn't overlapping with the names. Also, a lot of elements we can change inside the Format Chart area. We can select which option to change by clicking on the chart options, and we can select what element we want to change. We will choose now my horizontal axis values. And then I can fill and line, change or add effects. I can change the size and properties. And also I have these axis options. When we have a lot of numbers, a lot of zeros, we can use this to display the units differently, and by default is set to none. I can change it to be hundreds, so my data will be smaller. I will have not so many zeros inside my chart. You can experiment and find a lot of options for formatting by selecting some of those elements. You can add fill and border to almost anything inside our charts, add some effects, change how to display series inside Excel charts.